Hello everyone, is your car shifting roughly, overheating, or going into limp mode? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0711, transmission fluid temperature TFT sensor circuit range performance, it means the PCM isn't receiving accurate temperature readings from the transmission. In this video, I'll explain what P0711 means, its symptoms, and, most importantly, where to locate the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. The P0711 trouble code indicates a malfunction in the transmission fluid temperature TFT sensor circuit. This sensor is responsible for monitoring the temperature of the transmission fluid and helps the PCM adjust shift points, cooling, and overall transmission performance. Warning: if this sensor fails, your transmission might overheat, shift incorrectly, or even enter limp mode. Common symptoms of P0711: check engine light on transmission overheating, harsh, delayed, or erratic shifting. Slipping gears or poor acceleration, transmission stuck in one gear, limp mode, decreased fuel efficiency. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the key components and diagnose the problem. To fix P0711, check these key transmission and PCM-related components. Transmission fluid temperature TFT sensor. Location: inside the transmission, often near the valve body or integrated into the transmission pressure sensor. Function: measures transmission fluid temperature and sends data to the PCM. Transmission Control Module, TCM, if separate from PCM. Location: near the transmission, firewall, or under the dashboard. Function: manages transmission operation based on sensor inputs. PCM, Powertrain Control Module. Location: typically in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function: processes data from the TFT sensor and controls engine and transmission performance. Transmission wiring harness and connectors. Location: runs between the transmission, TFT sensor, and PCM. Function: transmits electrical signals for accurate readings. Transmission cooler and fluid lines. Location: connected to the radiator or an independent transmission cooler. Function: regulates transmission fluid temperature. Common causes of P0711 faulty transmission fluid temperature TFT sensor. If the sensor is failing or giving incorrect readings, the PCM will trigger P0711. Low or contaminated transmission fluid. Dirty or low fluid can cause overheating and incorrect temperature readings. Wiring issues, corroded, loose, or shorted connections. A damaged harness or poor connections can disrupt signals. PCM or TCM malfunction. If the PCM misinterprets sensor data, the transmission may behave unpredictably. Transmission cooler problems. A clogged or leaking cooler can lead to overheating and erratic temperature readings. How to fix P0711? Step 1. Check transmission fluid condition and level. If the fluid is low, burnt, or dirty, replace or top it up. Step 2. Inspect the TFT sensor. Look for physical damage, corrosion, or cracks on the sensor and its wiring. Step 3. Test the sensor with a multimeter. Check the resistance and compare it with the manufacturer's specs. Step 4. Inspect wiring and connectors. If you find loose, damaged, or corroded wires, repair or replace them. Step 5. Check the transmission cooler and lines. Ensure cooling is functioning properly. Step 6. Reset the PCM and test drive. After repairs, clear the code with an OBD-II scanner and monitor performance. Final words: ignoring P0711 can lead to severe transmission damage, overheating, or expensive repairs. Fix it early to avoid major problems. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0675, Cylinder 5 Glow Plug Circuit Fault. P0676, Cylinder 6 Glow Plug Circuit Fault. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.